Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. Um, I know I said today that I would do a meditation, um, but somehow or other I'm not really feeling it right now. I can't fathom why that's happening, but what I'd like to do for you instead is just some sound music. So as we're coming together today, um, please start grounding, bringing in the light of source and being in your energy. And just allowing this time for you to feel one in your energy. And the first card is an expanded energy card. I mean, an energy expansion card. And let's wait for the next one or the next ones. Had a couple that came out. Wow. Okay. So, okay, we got two. That's good. I live in harmony and beauty, and I trust and surrender and let the current of life carry me. So, what does that tell you? That's telling me it's another beautiful self care day. And it's something that I feel right now I need it. I just want to rest and relax. I don't know. I think it's because of the fall, but I'm still feeling the aches and pains. Just more achy than painy. Um, so that may be why um, I'm just not feeling doing a lot right now. And I just feel like a simple sound session will just suffice for today. I don't want to make it too complicated or something that no one's feeling. I'm just feeling simple is really what I'm feeling. Um, so for those of you who are operating heavy machinery or driving a vehicle, please listen to the sound later. And just gonna choose a ZenTube, and we're just going to sit back and relax. Mhm. Close our eyes, be in our energy, and see what messages we can bring in from Source, Mother Earth. And we're asking all the beings of light that we work with to surround us, support us, nurture us, love us through this sound session and through the moments of the day, the moments of now in our day. I will just say that this seems to be centered around the solar plexus and releasing anything in the solar plexus. We say thank you to Source, God, Universe. We say thank you to Mother Earth. We say thank you to the beings of light who work with us, surround us, and nurture us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Bhagwan Ki, Amen. And so it is. And slowly start moving your body, wiggling your fingers and your toes, just lightly stretching, coming back into the body, feeling your energy in your body with Source and Mother Earth's energy. And when you're ready, take some deep breaths and open your eyes. Excuse me. So I've been releasing a lot, and it feels good. And I really felt the sound just hitting the solar plexus and easing the pain there. And I'm realizing that, I'm still feeling the issues of the fall. And I'm realizing that there's no one really to blame. Like, I can't say that I can't even blame, like, person who dropped the noodles. I mean, obviously it's a mistake. Can't blame the person who was standing there, the clerk who was standing there, and he's like, this just happened, you know. I can't blame the store because there was no sign. I mean, how humanly possible and how quickly can a human being get a sign out there, right? So it's just, wow, the mind and the solar plexus just became so imbalanced with past thoughts, not feeling safe, and just releasing that, because in my apartment I'm safe, in my being I'm safe, um, and I'm currently going through a release because I just got my monthly flow. So I wasn't bleeding due to the accident. I was, or the fall, but it naturally brought on something that was supposed to occur. I guess. I don't know. Some of these things are inexplicable. So what do? You move on. I'm telling myself that I need to let it all go and move on. And I think I should just stop thinking, because thinking never did me any good. But I feel like I've let go of something. So this was good today for me, hopefully for you as well. I know I did this early, so I apologize, but I woke up and I was like, I'm still achy, and I need some sound. So I speeded things up a bit. Anyway, I'm hoping that you all have a wonderful day. Please be well. And remember, I live in harmony and beauty. I trust and surrender and let the current of life carry me. And we're going to expand it all out. 2, 3-fold. These cards are good. I feel like it's a self-care day. And I will say before we end, all of my energy back to me, all of your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. Thank you for watching, for listening, and for being in the sound. Bye, and have a great day.